Welcome back to another video. This video is a tutorial for the new Gamepad Vision Beta release, and it's going to be a full tutorial. I'll show you how to make a controller and everything. So please watch to the end, and I'll leave useful links like the Discord server in the description below, and you can join for any further questions. So on the landing page, just go ahead, click on continue, and you're going to write your email in, regardless if you have an account or not. It's the same procedure. Now you'll receive a code to your email as a one-time passcode. Let's go ahead, find that. Now since this is a fresh account, you just have to fill out this form just for the first time. So I just say GPV tutorial. Email, just paste the same one. Now then, once you hit create, you will have created your profile, and in the gamepad section you will have like any controllers that you create, they will appear here. The notification section is just for the admins to send notifications to all users. Tutorials, just stuff related to Gamepad Vision, or how to do different stuff, etc. And settings. Now say you want to change your profile picture, very easy. Just click on the profile picture here, and let's see what we can find. Let's use this stick as a image, and it's uploaded it and it's updated it. Now the other thing you can do with your profile is just change your username. Okay. Like so. And one last thing just from the dashboard is, if you click your well, I'll have to reload the page quickly. But if you click your profile picture in the bottom left, that will open up your profile, your public profile. Now, any controllers you make that are public will appear on your profile, so you can just share your whole profile link with users if you wish. Anyways, well, one more little thing is light dark mode, which is necessity. Alright, anyways, on the gamepad section, if you click this plus icon on the bottom right, what you will do is name your controller. So and the controller type is not the controller that you will be editing, it's actually the controller that you will make. So this is going to be a PS5 controller. Regardless of what you select in the options, you'll always just get the PS4 controller here. Now then again, dark light mode. At the top we have the save option. You can either press that or hit Control S or Command S on your keyboard. We have an import and place model. I will show you how to use this in just a second. And copy styles is just to copy the CSS for the controller that you have made, and then you can use that CSS in Gamepad Viewer or the previous Gamepad Vision websites as well. just for more a broader access. Now, with this new site, as you can see, there is no code editor or anything. You simply just drag and drop everything, and the the website will write the CSS for you. Now, one more thing, or two more things quickly. In the bottom left here, we have a way to set the controller to public or private. Okay, but I want to keep it private just for now. Now, the other thing is on the bottom right, if I hover over something on the controller, for example the base, it will show me the exact identifier for that element. Okay, now for example, the base everyone knows, but let's say this X button, we want to know what it is because we want to edit it. Now if you look in the bottom right, it's called button 1. So what we'll do is go import and place. We'll find button 1, and what we do is identify the images, normal and press state. The width and height, the site will do itself, and scale you can adjust it if you want. But let's start making the controller ourselves, and we'll end up using it properly. So this is the base image. Now this controller I have not made. I'll double check who made it and give them credits. I just threw in a little image on the touchpad just for someone. Now anyway, so I want to edit the base first. Okay, go import and place, select base, and now the base does not really have a press state. You don't really press the base in it, but we have the normal image, and we'll just paste that in here. Now, as you can see, it's done the width and height automatically, and what we can do is just press apply styles. Okay, now this is a really dark controller. Let's see, you can see it's slightly better in dark mode. Now then, what we will do next is okay. So we have the sticks. This is the normal state and the press state. Okay. If I just go ahead, copy this, and this time let's edit the stick 1 first. So we'll go here, go to stick 1. This is a normal image, and this is the press state. Okay. Now if you just, as you can see, I can just move it around and click on it, and it's showing the 2 different states. Now just one thing, I don't know where I put my controller, but you can obviously still use your controller, because that's the bloody point. Anyways, let's move on to stick 2 and do the same. Okay. And apply. Same thing. We'll just move it and adjust it to the correct position to our liking. There we go. Let's see what's next. Okay. Now, for these face icons, the base already has the non-press state. So what we'll do is just add the press state. Now this is called button 1. I know that, but if you don't, just hover it again and look at the bottom right. In the normal state for now, just add like any character, and in the press state, add the image. You add the character in the normal state so it doesn't keep the default button for now. And as you can see, if I click here, just adjust it. The same thing, button 2, 3, 4. Adjust it. If I just do this quickly, button 4 as well. There we go. Perfect. Now let's see what's next. We have the select button. So what we'll do is not that. Let's just drag that back in position. Okay, let's just edit it quickly and select. Let's just do that just for a second, and we can hopefully come across where it is. There we go. Okay, just move that here. Roughly, yeah. Now I'll show you another feature. So if I go to button start, I can just use the normal image, and I'll just flip it horizontally with the same image. Okay. Now let's find it. Place it over here. Nice. That's our start and select buttons done. We have here is a D-pad buttons. So for this one, I need to edit this D-pad top. So import in place, I'll go here and let's do that. Just do the press date, okay. And just add that. And somewhere here. There we go, okay. Same thing here. Oh, but again, I forgot to D-pad bottom, just go flip vertical this time. And it's here, so I'll just do this. Just want to get it. There we go. So now, just the D-pad left and right left. So D-pad left, I'll add that here. Do that. And D-pad right, I'll do that. And just add. Perfect. Let's see what's next. So we have got the left trigger, L2. And it's called button left shoulder bottom, okay? So keep, do that, press date, nice. I should add this, perfect. Next is the right trigger, I guess. So this is the button right shoulder bottom. So I'll just go find that here. Press date, nice. Apply, okay. Just drag it back. Here. Okay, we've got the Yeah, I'm missing my touch, my bumpers, but that's okay. Now, for the touchpad, let's just find it here. Nice, it's just called touchpad, so I'll go find touchpad here and press state. There we go. Nice. Just quickly adjust it about here. There we go. But I want to move it down actually. There we go. Now obviously I'm done with this controller. I finished it. So what I'll do is hit Control S or Command S in my case. And obviously I showed you earlier, I think you can just change it from private to public or public to private. If it's private, only you can share the link. It's like YouTube's unlisted feature. But if it's public, then it'll show on your profile. Now if you want to see what happens if when we shared this URL. Now obviously you created this controller, so you get to see all these features. However, a user that did not make it will just see the normal controller, and they can't edit anything. They can just use the controller, so that they'll just be able to paste the URL into OBS and use the overlay like normal. But yeah, that's it for this. Actually, I'll just show you what it looks like. Now if I make this controller public, and just make sure I save it, and I'll go back. Now obviously I can see the controller I just made in my dashboard. If I hover over it, I can just delete it, but you can't get it back once you go through the process. Show you the date, the type of controller, and its title. And one more thing that's left is if you go to your profile, you will see the public controllers right here. Okay, but yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you got any questions, join the Discord server. Adios.